Hello and welcome to the Ramalama channel. Today I'll be covering question 33 from the January 2016 Geometry Regents. Now question 33 says the following. The base of a right pentagonal prism has an area of 20 square inches. If the prism has an altitude of 8 inches, determine and state the volume of the prism in cubic inches. Okay. So here I've already drawn out my pentagonal prism, all right? I know based on the keywords pentagonal, the base shape is a five-sided polygon, and because it's a prism, it's a three-dimensional shape where it has two bases. Now, when it comes to determining the volume of any prism, okay, when you're learning this, you should learn that you need to determine the area of the base and then multiply that area, right? Area is two dimensions, by the third dimension, which is going to be the height or the altitude. So let's write that down. To determine the volume of a prism, it's the area of the base times the height. Okay, now in this problem, they actually give us a lot of information. Exactly what we need. It says the base of a pentagonal prism has an area of 20 square inches. So let's write that down. I'm gonna shorthand this as AOB, or area of base, is 20 inches squared. And the height, let's see what they have here. If the prism has an altitude of 8 inches, okay, that means our height is 8 inches. We have what we need. We're trying to find the volume of this prism. We just need to multiply the area of the base times the height. So let's do that. I'm going to bring this down here. The volume of P, or the volume of this prism, is going to be 20 times 8. And that gives us 160 inches cubed. All right, now definitely remember to put your units as a cubed unit because we're dealing with volume. Volume is three-dimensional. If this were area, your units would be two-dimensional. If this were perimeter, this would just be a one-dimensional thing. And this is Regents, so I always emphasize to write your answer as a sentence. It doesn't have to be super long, just something short and simple. So what was the final thing? Determine and state the volume of the prism. The volume of this pentagonal prism is 160 inches cubed. Alright then, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe and like. Thank you.